Iran Monday named Mujtaba Khamenei as the new supreme leader, succeeding his father Ali Khamenei. A decision officials said was taken by the Assembly of Experts as the country remained in an escalating conflict with the United States and Israel. The 88-member clerical body confirmed in a statement shortly after midnight in Tehran that by what it described as a decisive vote, it had appointed Ayatollah Mujtaba Khamenei as the third leader of the Islamic Republic. Mujtaba Khamenei, a mid-ranking cleric long viewed as a leading contender and believed to hold influence within Iran's security establishment and the economic networks built under his father, now assumes ultimate authority over the military, judiciary and key political institutions. US President Donald Trump said Sunday that the United States should have a say in Iran's leadership transition and warned that if the new leader did not receive approval from Washington, he would not last long. Israeli authorities had earlier indicated that whoever assumed the role could be targeted. Ali Khamenei was killed February 28 in one of the first strikes launched against Iran as hostilities began between Iran and the US-Israel alliance. The US military said Sunday that a 7th American service member had died from injuries sustained in Iran's initial counterattack, while Iran's ambassador to the United Nations reported at least 1,332 Iranian civilian deaths and thousands wounded. Iran's parliament speaker Mohammad Bagher Ghalibaf said Tehran was not seeking a ceasefire and would continue to punish those responsible for the attacks. Residents in Tehran reported thick smoke after airstrikes targeted oil storage facilities. Foreign Ministry spokesperson Ismail Baghai said the strikes released hazardous materials into the air and called them a dangerous escalation, while Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu said the offensive would continue. Bureau Report, Orissa Post Live.